Launching an online charm offensive, Chinese President Xi Jinping called for closer ties with the European Union. He spoke in a video conference with German Chancellor Angela Merkel, EU Council President Charles Michel, and EU Commission President Ursula von der Leyen. The Monday meeting focused on trade. The 27-nation bloc is China's second-largest trading partner. But after 7 years of negotiations, a comprehensive investment agreement still hasn't been finalized. EU leaders say China isn't moving fast enough when it comes to leveling the playing field.
It's a question of rebalancing the asymmetry and a question of openness of our respective markets. So we need China to move on these two issues, and we need it to move if we are to achieve our shared objective of finalizing negotiations this year.
President Xi pledged to expedite treaty talks and expand agricultural imports, but stopped short of promising to improve market access. In an annual report released last week, the EU-China Chamber of Commerce repeated urgent calls for Chinese economic reforms.
We have been seeing that China promises opening up, but actually there has been very little baby steps happening.
WUTTKE says unlike the US, the EU isn't interested in decoupling, but European companies operating in China are worried about their future.
The meeting comes at a time of increased strain between China and Europe. There's been growing criticism over Beijing's handling of the coronavirus outbreak, allegations of human rights abuses against the Uyghur minority in Xinjiang, and the new national security law imposed in Hong Kong.
This kind of nearly free fall of soft power of China in the OECD countries is extremely worrisome, because we rely on the goodwill, the support from our home government, public opinion, customers.
EU leaders raised these concerns with Xi Jinping, who responded by saying China would not be lectured on human rights. He chose instead to focus on an increasingly short list of areas of agreement: digital partnership, climate change, and closer cooperation. Katrina, Al Jazeera, Beijing.